So these are all the gifts that I received on my birthday, and I will be opening all of them one by one to show you guys. So keep watching.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well, and for this video I wanted to talk about everything that I got for my birthday. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to talk about are the cakes. Thank you Adya, thank you Bhavya, thanks mom and bhai, and thank you to me for getting me cakes. So Adya sent me a very nice, very yum chocolate cake. Bhavya sent me a Kit Kat plus gems cake, and my mom and bhai got me a chocolate cake too, I guess. Yeah, and I got myself a customized cake. I'll add all the pictures. So I got myself a customized cake. I got it from Cake It Agra. So if you're in Agra, you can contact them. They make such yummy cakes, and you can customize them. So I got a fondant cake. Get it from there if you want any of the cakes. I'll also mention their details in the description box below. The next thing that I'm going to talk about are flowers. I absolutely love flowers, and I did receive them. So last night when I went to the dinner, I got this very beautiful lily. The manager greeted me with the lily. It also has a pink ribbon over here, and I got it home, and yeah, I absolutely love it. Then my best friend Adya sent me a bouquet of pink roses. I uploaded a picture with it on my Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, go see it. So she sent me a bouquet of pink roses, and I absolutely love it. Thank you Adya. Last but not the least, we got another bouquet, and I'm gonna hide the name. So we got this bouquet which is full of lilies and roses, white, red, pink, yellow. So yeah, we're going to hide the name because I don't know why, but for some reason, yeah, I got this. Absolutely love it. To the person who sent it, thank you so much. Means so much to me. And along with this bouquet, I also received a card. Here, this is the envelope. I'll show you the card now. It has nothing written in it, but it's a very nice card. So I'm going to show you that. It says wishing you a happy birthday. It has a lot of muffins over here, and when you open it, it says with sprinkles on top. Absolutely love this card. Thank you so much. And moving on, I'm going to talk about what my roommate sent to me. Thanks Pooja for this. I absolutely love your gift. So she sent me this dupatta that I'm not able to unfold. Yeah, she sent me this dupatta. Absolutely love the print. Absolutely love how this looks. Probably mom is going to steal it from me, but we'll share. So this is how it looks. She knows I love them, and she gifted me the best thing ever. Absolutely love it. She got it from Myntra, by the way. You guys can search it for yourself in case you want it. The next thing that we're going to talk about are the gifts that my mom got me. She's the most beautiful person, the best person. Thanks mom. So I'm going to show you all that she got me. She showed all of it before purchasing it actually, because I'm a little I'm very stubborn and very picky, so she showed all of it to me. So the first thing that we got, you guys already saw in the previous video. This is the Carlton London for sliders, whatever that is. So we got these. These are black or navy blue in color. They look navy blue in light, but they look black otherwise. So these are from Carlton London. I'll take the link from her and link it down below in the description box if you want it. If you love furry slides, best. Very comfortable, but again only to wear in the rooms. So this is what I got. The other thing that she gifted me is this box from Jewels Galaxy, and this has some earrings inside. So this is what the earrings look like. I don't really wear a lot of artificial pieces, so I did not have hoops or anything, but I am glad that I do have them now, so I can wear them in my videos and you guys can see. These are absolutely beautiful. Will link them down below. The other thing that she got me is this shirt from Ajio. It's an animal print, very nice, very smooth, whatever material this is. I think this is Georgette. Very, very nice, very summery. Will wear it, love it, absolutely love animal prints. So yeah, this is what she got. She did not stop just here, but she also got me this unicorn onesie from Shop Mango People. I guess that is it. Yeah. She got me this unicorn onesie. I wore it at 12 when I was cutting my cake. I will insert some pictures so you can see how it looked in me. You can also buy it for people or for yourself. Absolutely love it. It's very warm and very huge also. So if you want something to stick to your body size down, recommended. The other thing she got me is this very beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution. And yeah, I wish this was sponsored by Makeup Revolution. I have so much stuff from there now. This is how it looks. This texture is so rich. It's so nice. It's a croc print and it's black. It is so rich. This looks so beautiful. At first I thought it was a diary. So what actually happened was I sent her a link to another palette, but she got me this one. And I'm glad she did get me this one because this is better than that. I did not see this one before. So it has some powders over here, blushes and powders. Here it has lips. These are all eyeshadows. And these are the bright colors. Also these are the UV eyeshadows. I mean, what? That is so cool. So I got this and I'm very happy I have this. I am very excited to try this. I wanted to put on from something from this palette, but I did not use it because I had to show it to you guys. So this is what the palette looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll also link it down below so you can gift it to somebody or get it for yourself. So best thing ever. Very happy with this. The other thing that we're going to talk about, yeah, all the people, okay, everybody that I'm going to talk about in this video, absolutely love you guys.
I received this tripod after I filmed the video and my brother gifted it to me, so I quickly wanted to come in here and show it to you guys.
My best friend sent me this. He sent me a customized pillow which has my picture, and it also has a button over here. You cannot see it, but when you turn it on, there's a light in the pillow. You cannot see it because of the ring light, but I'll insert pictures if you can see. Yeah, it has a light in it and you can turn it off by clicking over here. Yeah, if I show it to you like this, I guess you can see. Wait. Yeah, so that is how it works. I absolutely love it. I have a lot of pillows. I love little small pillows for my bed. So I absolutely love this one. Then I already showed you this one that I got from Nykaa. Privy member here. Nothing to brag, but I absolutely love this. You saw me using it. I love it. Will use it again if this runs out. Buying another one for sure. Absolutely love it. Last but not the least, my most favorite gift ever. And to the person who sent me this, I love you so much, you have no idea. And this means so much to me. So I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory, so please listen. I absolutely love this magazine, Reader's Digest, okay? So I happened to once tell this person, and this person, not going to tell you if he's a he or she is a she. Good cover up. So this person actually remembered and he sent me the November issue of 2000. November issue of 2000. You guys realize it's like 20 years old. It's my age. So he happened to fucked up. Now we know he's a he. Okay. So he happened to find this this for me. I'm so grateful. Yeah, so he found this for me. Absolutely love it. Very important to me. Always keeping it with me, and cannot thank the person enough. You guys know he's a he, but cannot thank him enough. I don't know what have I done to have all of you people. I'm also talking about the people who are watching this video right now. I don't know what have I done to have all of you in my life. I am so grateful for every one of you, for all the people who sent me these gifts, for all the people who wished, who commented, and who messaged me. So there were so many people, so many people. I am very thankful, and thank you for watching this video. That is it we have for this video. And if you did like this video, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.